The sudden death of a cat is a shocking and traumatic experience for any owner. Cats are often considered resilient animals that hide health problems well, which is why their humans sometimes only realize very late that something is wrong. But what are the most common causes of cats dying unexpectedly? In this video, you will find out what health problems can be behind a sudden death and how you can recognize signs in time to save your cat's life. Number 1. Heart disease. One of the most common causes of sudden death in cats is undiagnosed heart disease, especially HCM. This disease leads to a thickening of the heart walls, which impairs the function of the heart. Often affected cats show no obvious symptoms, which is why the disease remains undetected. Sudden deaths occur when the heart suddenly fails or a thrombosis blocks the blood flow. Regular veterinary examinations and cardiac ultrasounds can help to detect such diseases at an early stage. Number 2. Poisoning. Animals and sometimes come into contact with toxic substances. Toxic substances such as household cleaners, certain plants, medicines or pesticides can cause severe, often fatal poisoning. Symptoms often appear late, and by the time the owner realizes that the cat has ingested something toxic, it may already be too late. It is important to store toxic substances out of the cat's reach and to cat-proof the home to avoid poisoning. Number 3. Blood clots. Aortic thrombosis is another common cause of sudden death in cats, especially those suffering from heart disease. A blood clot can form in the heart and travel to the aorta, where it blocks blood flow to the hind legs. This leads to sudden paralysis of the hind legs, pain, and often rapid death of the cat. If your cat is suddenly unable to walk and is in severe pain, immediate veterinary attention is required to potentially save your cat's life. Number 4. Acute kidney failure. Are prone to kidney disease, which often develops slowly. However, in some cases, acute kidney failure can occur unexpectedly, caused by poisoning, urinary tract blockages, or severe infections. If kidney function suddenly fails, the waste products in the blood can poison the cat. Symptoms such as lethargy, vomiting, loss of appetite, and excessive thirst may occur, but sometimes death comes suddenly with no obvious signs. Regular blood tests and checkups help to keep an eye on kidney function. Number 5. Feline infectious peritonitis. This is a viral disease caused by the feline coronavirus. While many cats carry the virus and live with it without any problems, in some it mutates and leads to FIP, a disease that is often fatal. The disease can develop gradually, but in the more aggressive form, there is often a sudden deterioration leading to death. Number 6. Traumatic accidents. Cats that live outdoors or in dangerous environments are at higher risk of fatal accidents. Traffic accidents, falls from great heights, or attacks by other animals can quickly lead to death. Outdoor cats are particularly at risk, but indoor cats can also suffer injuries from window falls or accidents in the home. Securing windows and balconies and being aware of potential sources of danger in the home can prevent such accidents. Number 7. Toxic shock syndrome. Toxic shock syndrome can be caused by bacteria releasing toxins that overwhelm the cat's body. This often occurs after injury, surgery, or infection and leads to a sudden collapse of the circulatory system. Cats suffering from toxic shock syndrome often show a sudden deterioration in their condition, including fever, weakness, and collapse. Rapid medical treatment is necessary to save the cat's life. Number 8. Respiratory arrest. Like humans, cats can suffer from asthma or other respiratory conditions that can cause sudden breathing problems. A severe asthma attack or sudden airway obstruction can lead to respiratory arrest and sudden death. Coughing, wheezing, breathing, and frequent panting are signs that something is wrong. If your cat suddenly starts breathing more heavily or collapses, it is essential to act quickly and visit the vet immediately. Would you now like to know how you can tell that your cat is trying to tell you something? Then be sure to watch the video I've linked here.